was my final response to Steak and Pat God. So Steak showed Pat God my video hating on bacons. Pat God got so mad. He reacted by shouting random words at me, which made no sense. I'm not even surprised, as Pat God can't roast. All of Pat God's videos are scripted, they are fake. Just because Pat God is a ugly bacon he wants to force everyone to be like him. I would never change my avatar to become a bacon and Steak is actually stalking me. And Steak is actually stalking me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Steak keeps following me in all the games that I join in Roblox, even when I have my joins turned off. Steak is so creepy, and he also subscribed to me on all his accounts. I could care less what they think about me, especially since it's coming from some jealous and broke grown men. Their opinions on me are not valid, only my opinions matter. Stay mad, Steak and Pat God, I am better than both of you.